Let's take a look at the 7-in-1 wireless charging station for your desk. I'm going to have it right next to my computer here. So I love it. Let's figure out what all the 7 are. Well, obviously you have a watch charger, a phone charger, so that's 2, AirPod charger, so that's 3, a clock, 4, an alarm clock, 5, and Bluetooth speaker, 6, and a nightlight. You can change the colors just by tapping over here. All right, so there's your 7 multiple functions, and it sits just right on a desktop, or sits right on a nightstand, or for me, right next to my computer. That's really cool. And to turn on the Bluetooth speaker, you just press and hold the power button on. And so if you do have it next to your nightstand, you can take your phone like this. And oh, another really cool thing is right here. Let's see if we can see that. It tells you what's charging. It says this is 10 watts. It tells you exactly how many watts that you're using and what is charging. And so if you put that over here, or if you wanted to put your wireless earbuds and charging those as well, you can see that those are getting charged and my phone's getting charged. But what's kind of really cool is you can turn it this way. If it's in your nightstand, you can turn it that way, turn it on, and you can watch your favorite YouTube channel right into it. So what do you do when your plans completely fall apart? We'll come along and we'll show you. And that's a really good speaker. Had it all the way turned up. That's pretty impressive from that little speaker. You know what? I want to charge my phone, I want to charge my Bluetooth, and I want to charge my watch. And you can do it all at the same time. And so isn't that convenient? Isn't that cool that you can do it all at the same time? And you know what? I want to watch something. So I'm going to take the watch off and say, I'm going to put my earbuds in while we're sitting at the desk. Again, super, super intuitive. The buttons are really super intuitive and easy to set up. You just press the plus and minus here to change the time, the date. You never have to worry again what day it is. It seems like life on the road. So if you're looking to clear the clutter and get rid of all the cables and just have a nice charging wireless thing where you can charge your phone, your watch, your AirPods, and everything. Oh, and also watch TV with the speaker. Then I would highly recommend looking into something like this. I mean, they thought of everything. They've done it all. It's clean, it's compact. Oh yeah, and it does come in a couple colors, orange and white. So you can't go wrong there. Hopefully that helps you make an educated decision.